Hi, welcome back to another overview, quick look at one of my Rolex watches that I have in the collection. This time it's the Rolex Explorer II in white in 42 millimeters. Bought this watch in 2024 for 9,200 Swiss francs. The price now is 9,500 Swiss francs as Rolex increased the prices on January 1st, 2026. Actually, let me just double check if I paid less for it. Rolex Explorer, actually I got it for 9,200 in 2024. It was in June. They increased the price to 9,300 in January 1st, 2025, and increased again to 9,500 in January 1st, 2026. So already the watch depreciated by 300 Swiss francs just by Rolex increasing the prices. As you can see, unfortunately, a little bit of green from the other boxes. Well, we have the sleeve. The thing is, it's one thing that's a little bit annoying. Some ADs give you the white sleeve, some don't give you this one. And even though you have it, you can see still it's, taking the color of the watches that are on the boxes that are next to it, because the new boxes are green. Well, let me just show you quickly. The new boxes come like this. They're a little bit taller and they're green and not white anymore. But that one another time. Okay, let's open it up. The Rolex crown on top, on the outer box. And then the flap opens. You have the Rolex in green with the golden crown. As I mentioned in the last video, if you've seen it already, if not, I've linked it as well. The OP41 lavender, the new boxes came. They have a different design. The pattern looks a little bit different. The crown is inside here. And on the back, we don't have the golden hinges. Okay, so let's open it. And here we go. Rolex Explorer II in white hang tag that comes with a watch. Before we go there, maybe the books. So we have the warranty, guarantee manual, the OP Explorer II manual, how to use the watch. And then we have, I got it in June 24. And reference number is 226570. And obviously I'm not going to show you the watch number. Okay, what else can I tell you about the watch? As I mentioned, 42 millimeters. And like the other videos as well, I will change to the macro shots with the other camera. Oyster band, professional model. Different than the OP, you have the double clasp, which you open this way. And here you have the diver's extension, which is very helpful, especially in summer. Case back, plain and simple, as Rolex always does. Here you have, again, Rolex, Genève, steel, and so on. And then what I really like about this watch is it's white. It has the orange popping GMT hand, as well as written Explorer in orange as well below the Oyster perpetual date. Some more information. Obviously, you have dual time zone possibility because of the GMT watch. 904L steel, 42 millimeters in diameter. Bezel is fixed, so it's the last of the Rolex watches kind of that has a fixed bezel. And 24-hour markers. You can't turn it, and it's stainless steel as well, so this will scratch over time if you wear it and if you're not careful. Then we have the 3285 caliber, Rolex in-house movement. Precision -2 to +2 seconds a day. Oyster band, I mentioned already. So we have the date window at 3 o'clock with the magnifying glass. I have no white gloves or black gloves for that. I'm a private person. I'm not a watch dealer. I'm a collector. So you will see fingerprints on the watch. Okay, let me just switch to the macro camera, macro lens, to show you some macro shots of this watch. Okay, so you've seen some of the macro shots. As I said, it's a beautiful watch. Actually, the wrist shot is missing. I love white watches because you can read them so much better in comparison. Please don't ask me what's my wrist size because I have no clue. It's big. As you can see, I have no links taken out and I have a little bit of space. I like them a little bit more loose. Beautiful, beautiful watch. And I prefer the white one to the black one, to be honest, because just how easy to read it is, and I love the orange accents of it, because I love color. So, good looking watch. Obviously not everyone can wear 42. For me, it's okay. I wouldn't go really bigger. Anything between 40 and 42 is fine for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a like, comment below, and tell me which of the watches you would like to see next. Cheers.